don't do charity work. Well, I'm a private practitioner. I mean, that's all I can say.
You practice general dentistry?
Everything.
Everything.
Everything माने?
Not implants.
Not implants.
Ortho, no.
Dentist. Smile design.
Everything.
Smile design.
Everything
else.
I mean, I'll invite all of you if you're coming to New Bombay anytime. I'm just I mean, if you just enter Vashi, it's just in the corner building. So I mean,
Corner building.
yeah, it's
So on your way to
inside.
Sonali's house, you
By the way.
Is it?
वो मिली से पहले जाने का
जब भी पूजा जाएंगे तो पहले सुनील के क्लिनिक पे जाएंगे।
खाना
ले लो ना फोटोज
खाना नहीं afternoon से
तू इधर आना हरी के पास आ जाना तो मैं लेती हूँ ना क्या हरी के पास आ सकती है तू क्या
just wondering why specifically Ari.
क्या हो गया
हरी इधर स्माइल कर रहा
रुकाना बेटा.
इधर
In fact, it is because of him that we are meeting after.
And that goes to Kavita because she started it off.
Oh, the other one started. We are in the same camp. We are in the same camp.
Hana gang. They
Silent mode, guys.
No, introduction, myself Gargote.
No, yes, yeah.
Most of you may have known by
Yeah, just you want to go to
Some of
Madhav
them.
or come here with
My
us?
first
Then come
name.
here.
Kishan.
Kisan.
Kishan. I immediately after passing,
Okay.
I worked with somebody else,
Bye.
clinic at Padel. Then I started my laboratory in 1991. I worked as a technician for nearly 4 to 5 years. Then I started my clinic in 97. I got married. My wife's name is Chaya. She is just a housewife. And I married one son, is 12-year-old. Krutesh is in 7th standard in Don Bosco. And daughter Arpita, she is in senior KG now. And now I am handling clinic as well as lab side also. Lab side is done by my brother and other technicians. And clinic is at Padel and even the lab is at Padel. I am residing at Padel. So for me it's very convenient to handle all the things. And practicing as a full-time dentist. Most of the stuff I am doing it now. This was my aim to bring all you together. Started with somebody else. Sangeeta has met me in my son's school.
Open house, yeah, we met during open house.
Then she asked for my card. So I said, why you need my card? You know me.
Start हो या contact
Actually,
Come on and we got going,
I
you know.
said, okay, 4 of them met. Why can't all of us
Yeah.
meet together?
And what he tells me, call we are going to meet in Thane.
No,
And I not told her to meet
I'd like to say
You are meeting alone.
He called me up last week and he's telling me, hello, I'm Gargote. I said, हाँ, hello, how are you? अरे तुम लोग कैसे मिल सकते हैं खाना में? मैं क्यों तेरा परमिशन लेने का? अरे हम लोग को पता है नहीं तुम लोग सब लोग कैसे मिल लिया था?
I mean, especially for ortho treatment, the number of patients coming to a general dentist and much more. That's all.
Because you're not going to get those. So that's okay. But the point is, it's not that ortho is the biggest thing.
उनका मेमोरी हमारे से बेटर है देशपांडे सो हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स ओवर द ईयर हाउ मेनी रिमेंबर दैट कॉल्ड ओवर द फोन and I said Dr. Please as of now we bring education outside some of the assistants I have had they do a cutting I can still see weekly and they want to do an amalgam on the but they come back and say I can do a veneer I don't have to do an amalgam class to friend just tell me that first I you are leaving weekly there and you say you can do a veneer I'm not letting you touch my things
What he learns is
Saturday nights and never.
It requires a lot of intelligence and all that. Just
Put off the AC or what?
Yeah, why is the AC? But I think they just get out.
Time up, it's 3 o'clock. Not to learn, why bother, you know?
Absolutely.
You can get away without learning it, why bother?
They just don't want to.
There was another attendant who I tried to teach her the wire bend. This person wasn't worth it. Anyways, what happened with her was, it had a hypnotic effect on her. Every time she'd pick up the wires and the pliers, she'd work for 3 minutes and then you could see her doing this. And then she'd look guiltily at me and then again start with it. So it was no point trying to train somebody like that.
I missed the action. What
You remember
She-
this?
she-
This
she-
Monday telling
Doing that.
Yeah, beta.
One more thing.
Yeah, you could
This same,
confirm this.
after
Why you
this
can't
fellow's
confirm?
extraction, this fellow,
the wire and
Bend the plier without ask who told us this in ortho and told you about it. In
My
our
mom wouldn't have done that, and she was the only one who taught because she was such a
No, no.
perfectionist. She wouldn't.
No,
have
but
even her
nobody has the guts to correct her.
No,
Trust me, go and confirm about
there was
I
this.
don't think so. But all the same.
The best,
Savita
the
was
best part
coming
about
with
this
me.
attendant prided himself on his memory. Now what he used to do was, he used to look at the patient in the waiting room and tell me the name. Okay, the only problem is his memory wasn't that good. So he'd get about 1 in 5 names wrong, and that's just too much.
That's what
So we were doing some work where you require full. You take this paper and make him write it down. So he was very upset about it. So what did he do? He'd go there and write it down himself without asking the patient. And I said, no, you don't write it. Make the patient write it in his handwriting.
Maybe change his handwriting on
No. Now he still couldn't capitulate that easily. So what he would do is, I'm working at this end of the room. He'd say, "Sir, patient," and he'd show it from that end of the room about 12 feet away. And you're supposed to read the handwriting. So once I took the paper from him and said, "ये नाम पढ़ो." So he came, नहीं उधर से पढ़ो. नहीं पढ़ने. It's only after that he started bringing the paper to me and so has come. You get all kinds of samples.
you get worse than that also.
And most of these people are not interested in learning. I mean, I'm sorry.
No, my chair side assistant will ask me, अच्छा सर अभी अपर लेफ्ट मोलर निकालने का ना, हाँ तो आई थिंक she'll again start searching. She every time she'll answer, अच्छा अभी अपर राइट मोलर, आज अपर राइट मोलर निकालने का है, तो you feel as if she gonna pick out the right one. She'll keep on searching. और वो दे भाई दे जल्दी.
I know another guy who's an attendant who has this interesting habit. Now, he has learned to identify the upper left and right by the
My
orientation
attendant is
or
so
whatever.
good.
But
I can't live without
what he does is, instead of turning the plier, he
Been with us
holds the plier straight.
Just to repair our air.
First size.
First, with us.
Bye guys.